What's up, you guys? So right now I am actually rushing to go to Chick-Fil-A to get my meal because I ordered through the app and I had to set up everything before I left my house, my camera, my tripod and everything, so that way when I get inside I could just sit down, cut on the camera, hit record and eat, you know. So I don't like eating my food cold. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that I think Chick-Fil-A is smashing like Popeyes, y'all. I'm sorry to say this, I really do. I mean, I love Popeyes Spicy Chicken Sandwich, but Chick-Fil-A with the Chick-Fil-A with the Polynesian sauce. It's gonna bless your spirit, you guys. And then guess what else I ordered? A side of mac and cheese. Yes. So it's gonna bless my spirit, you know. Y'all, I'm driving. Ooh. Y'all, the popo, y'all. That was the popo. I had to put that phone down quick. Okay. Sorry, y'all seen the popo. I had to drop that phone. But y'all, I'm driving fast, y'all. I'm trying to get to this Chick-Fil-A. I don't want that food to get cold. So yeah. So I got the side of mac and cheese, and I never tried it yet. But everybody talking about they must have got a black lady back there making that mac and cheese. Somebody with big arms back there making that mac and cheese. Okay. So I'm about to check it out and see what this is for. So go! Whoa! Oh, I can't stand when people driving 20 miles in front of me on a 40 mile per hour street. Why?
Hey you guys, I am back in my car, about to head home. I'm ready to eat this food, sticking everything in me, not to just stuff my face right now, because usually when I get my food, I automatically just start eating with the steam. Like I just, whew, y'all, just pray for me until I make it home. But the part about it is I'm only 7 minutes away from here, so as I make it home, it's going down.
A few moments later.
I am finally back from Chick-Fil-A, and let me take this thing off here because y'all don't even know my birth name, my government name, okay? I don't even know that, so I'll take it off. But I'm back from Chick-Fil-A, and I got the they kind of half gone because I ate them on the way here, but I couldn't wait because, you know, I don't like them cold. So I just have to eat them while they're hot. So I got those. The mac and cheese. Everybody is ranting about this mac and cheese. We don't get to it. And of course, y'all got the spicy deluxe with American cheese, y'all. You know, American cheese. You know, I couldn't forget the Polynesian sauce, right? You gotta have the Polynesian sauce with it. If you don't have it with it, then it's still gonna be good. It's gonna be equivalent to Popeyes, just a little less kick. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, y'all. I'm not gonna start the sandwich first because, like I said, I like to eat the fries cold. So I'm gonna go ahead on and finish eating these fries. Amen. So, yeah, the fries are kind of lukewarm right now, and I'd rather lukewarm than being all the way cold. You know what I'm saying? I like to dip the fries. That's magical. Magical. Chick-Fil-A. You know what's crazy? Even though the fries don't really have that much salt, I mean, the sauce that you dip it in, that's all you need. That's all you need. Amen. I can't wait to get to this mac and cheese, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Like, y'all heard the rumors when they talking about they probably got somebody grandma back there making that mac and cheese. Oh, they got a lady with some big arms back there. This little woman with some big arms, they could cook. They could cook.
12 seconds later.
So I'm about to go ahead on and try the sandwich. It's amazing. I'm telling y'all, man, like this. Let me show you the sandwich. Okay? You see? Do you see? Yo, look. Just look at the beauty. Look at the beauty of this American cheese. The premium chicken breast. The tomatoes. And the beautiful, beautiful green lettuce. You guys, this is the Polynesian sauce. Just stripping music from it. So good. It's so good. Yes, God is good. Amen. Be Simone, baby girl.
Baby girl, baby girl.
Ooh, hubba, hubba, hubba. Hey. Yes. Y'all, this sandwich is just, everything is fresh. You know what I'm saying? Everything is fresh. Like, I don't want to just compare this to Popeyes. Because Popeyes tastes strictly like you biting a piece of spicy chicken. Like, so good. But, man, that sauce be so goddamn hot. It's too hot for all that hot sauce. For all that, you know. So I get the spicy chicken sandwich. I get in the, well, actually, I don't even get it right away. Popeyes out, man. When I tell you, so unprofessional. I like literally drove up to the window, paid them. They said, drive around. I'm like, what? Drive around to the parking lot.
Excuse me, bitch.
Drive around to the parking lot. So I drive around, sir. We're gonna bring you your chicken sandwich. I said, oh, so I'm assuming it's not ready. Yeah, we everybody want them. Everybody getting them. I'm like, okay. So unprofessional, man. When I tell you Chick-Fil-A is not like that, they give you an app. They give you an app that you download and you sign in. You can even sign in with your Facebook, y'all. You sign in and you order whatever you want from the app. That's good already. Then we order it. The thing come up saying, boop. And it's like, you know, share your address, you share your location with them, and from there they pinpoint the address. They give you a GPS built in the app. Click on that. I'm like, okay, so this is gonna take me to Chick-Fil-A, even though I already know where it's at. It's like, all right, take me to the king. You know, that thing said tap here when you're ready. Okay, when I tap here, when I tell you they put that food on that counter, I said, ooh, that food was smoking hot. That food, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. And this sandwich still hot. That's how you know it's fresh. You can't go to Wendy's or you can't go, you know what I'm saying? They give you that fake chicken patty. Because you know what they do? They just throw the whole chicken in a blender. Another thing, Chick-fil-A don't do that. They don't do that. They don't do that. Okay? Like these chickens fell straight from heaven. The Lord has been kind. So wonderful. That's good. So y'all, I had to take a break from talking because my food started to get cold and I don't like that. But anyway, so the lady told me to drive around to the parking lot. I drove around. And I waited an additional 20 minutes for them to bring me my chicken sandwich. When I told you I had met a new friend in the parking lot, the lady was like, hey, you waiting for a chicken sandwich too? I said, yeah, I sure am. She said, I'm getting full. I was like, look, well, we gonna be waiting a good while till they come out. With you, I was like, man, this lady, look, I started thinking she wanted to book a photo shoot, a family photo shoot for her and her kids. I'm like, you wanna do a photo shoot? Like, we was waiting out there so long. So by the time they came to my car, old boy gave me the sandwich. And he didn't even have my red bean. I'm like, man, where my large red bean at? I waited all this time for a spicy chicken sandwich with large red bean. I said red bean. With a large red bean. Excuse me. And I waited all this time and you still haven't, you know what I'm saying? So I just was so aggravated, but I was so hungry at that time. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna sit right here and I'm gonna eat my food. I ain't even gonna drive home. I'm just like, man, look, I'm hungry. It's time to eat, right? Excuse me, hey, dee. Ooh, Lord. Where were we? I forgot. I forgot. God. Hey, dee. Help me. Okay. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat right now. Like, I'm not waiting. I'm not even driving home. Like, I can't wait. I gotta eat right now. So, first bite of the sandwich. I was like, man, this was so good. So good. 2 seconds later, it was a cake. It was a mighty cake. Yeah, I was coughing. I was like, I'm like, Lord Jesus. I picked up my strawberry family.
Oh shit.
I was like, When I tell you the kick, it's like no other. Yo. I took a napkin and I wiped both sides of the bread and I dabbled it on the chicken breast. Cause the sauce is so goddamn hot. I'm like, man, I can't do it. People are like, I love it. I love it. All that heat, can't do it. Can't do it. My titties was already sweating when I got in the car. Can't do it. So, I don't know how people like all that, but that's too much. I didn't see people do mukbangs and all this with the hottest. Like, this sauce look like blood. It's like a dark burgundy red, and it's like really thick. And they pouring that all over, then they eating it. Like, you stupid. You real stupid. You think I'm gonna waste all that money on that food to just be dousing it in all that sodium and all that extra, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, all that, those sauces and stuff. Like, that's too much. Like, I don't like that.
What's wrong with y'all? You niggas are crazy!
What I'm gonna try now is mac and cheese, y'all. Man. I've been waiting for this moment ever since last week. Okay. I don't know if I like the smell, but you can look at it. Alright, look. I just wish I had a little more gush. A little more. It's alright. Alright, let's see what's popping with it. People must be adding their own milk and stuff and extra cheese when they get home, because this don't look nothing like what I expected it to look. And it smells like they only use maybe 1 or 2 types of cheese. Like, come on now. Alright.
You know what?
I should have known this was gonna be some bull.
What? All right, I'm gonna be back. I'm going get some salt, pepper. I need, y'all need more seasoning than that. Whoever fucked y'all head up, whoever said all this, oh, the mac and cheese like a black woman, that's lies. I need you to go ahead on and shut your trap, okay? Because this don't taste nothing like that. This don't taste like no black mama back there cooking, okay? They don't even smell good. They don't smell cheesy. It just smells. It smells like feet, honestly.
Really, nigga?
Did Taylor Swift make this mac and cheese? Because this is the gimmick, okay? This is the reach.
Fuck that.
This is the reach.
Fuck that.
This is a reach. Y'all, but you know I'm gonna finish eating it because I'm hungry. Matter of fact, I might go ahead on and mix some of this Polynesian flavor in there because this will give it some flavor, I believe. You know, amen. Okay, I will buy. Okay, honey, I will buy honey the bottle, honey the Polynesian salt by the bottle, honey. I will be there. Okay, Jackson 5, baby girl, I'll be there. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, so let's go ahead on and try this with the Polynesian sauce.
Oh my God! Boy, if you don't get.
Ooh, all right, Polly. Polly. Just go ahead on. Yes, thank you, Polly. Hey, the Lord is good. The Lord is kind. Oh, Lord. Hey, Lord, don't leave the Polynesian sauce behind. Hey, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious. This Polynesian sauce makes it taste like mac and cheese at a family barbecue. Come on now. Like you know how when the barbecue ribs touch the mac and cheese? That's what it's giving me, y'all. This Polynesian sauce mixed into this mac and cheese. Look, y'all, I'm just starting a new trend. I need y'all to go ahead on and try this whenever you get it, because the mac and cheese ain't got no flavor. But this Polynesian sauce just saved my life. I would never ever get mac and cheese from them again if I don't get it with the Polynesian sauce. I'm about to show y'all close up of how this looks. This even looks like it could be mac and cheese at a barbecue, don't it? Come on now. When that mac and cheese touch them pork and beans. Hey! When that mac and cheese touch them ribs. When that mac and cheese touch them barbecue chickens. It's good. Then you got those people. Oh my goodness. Thanks, Polynesia, because you helped me. You helped me, Polynesia. Polynesia. Polynesia sauce. What? What? Incredible. Incredible. Hey. Sorry for the mess, y'all. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video and tune in tomorrow. Like, I'm trying to do videos from now on because I love food. I love to travel. I love good energy, good vibes. Amen. And food gives me just that.
What's good? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that way you don't miss out on any news regarding music, shows, merch, all that good stuff. Alright? So do what you gotta do, baby. Hey.